Hi everyone, it's Sherry with the McGuire Home Collection, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why the McGuire Mid-Century is my favorite design style. Mid-century modern is characterized by clean, simple lines and an honest use of materials with little to no ornate elements. McGuire Mid-Century is my favorite because it's free of stuffiness and lets the materials be the star. We can mix woods using clean, straight lines or more organic in shape. At McGuire, we start with a neutral base in the walls and can add fresh pops of color in the texture with the furniture, art, and accessories. Mid-century brings the outdoors in with the use of stone fireplaces as room dividers and beamed or full wood ceilings. Thanks for joining us, and please follow us along at the McGuireHomeCollection.com, Facebook, Instagram, or our YouTube channel.